You may have asked yourself, how do I resize a photo on my iPhone? You have taken a beautiful photo. We choose, for example, this one, but we don't like the fact that you can see the car. So we have to resize it. We simply open the photo and select it, like I have already done. Down here, we have like three sticks underneath each other. Now we have got the main photo editing menu open. Here we can now edit. You can see crop. From here we can simply resize the photo however we want. We can take it like this or like this. It's up to us how we like it. After editing, we simply click up done. And that's how we resize the photo. If I help you, give me a like and subscribe.